Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this rolling makeup cart. Now this is gonna be so handy to have all those little extra things that you can tuck underneath the cabinet, roll to where you need it, and it looks super easy to assemble. This is all nice plastic. It comes with 4 rolling casters. 2 of them actually have locks on them, so if you needed to stop that, you can easily do that. So I'm going to get all of this put together, and then we will take it for a little test run. I do notice right off the bat that these have nice little holes in there, so if you did happen to spill something or whatever, it's not just going to gather in there. So that is a nice little addition to have. So let's get this put together. With this, it does not have any tools that are required. It's literally just snapping everything in. Now this will have about 31 inches in height. So whenever you have it, it's super easy to assemble. You've got your installation guide. You just simply take the poles and start putting it all together and then stacking it up to where you will have 2 little drawers and then a pull-out shelf and a nice flat top. So now once you get up to this top part, you then have the area to add the drawer on, and then you just stick this on and it will then create a lip for the drawer to be able to sit on and slide right into place. Then we will add our top piece on. So now that we have that in there, we can easily just add our drawer on. It sits into the place and it slides right in. Add on our top. Now all you've got to do is just add in the little connector pieces and we will have this thing ready to go. So now I've got it in here in my bathroom and this thing glides really nice. I like how it has the little locks on there because that if you needed to have that stopped, you can easily just lock that. And it has these little containers on the side. So if you did have things like you wanted to put makeup brushes or anything like that, that can easily sit in there. You've got these nice handles and you even have these little areas here. If you needed to hang like a little towel or anything like that, you can easily use that to hang up towels. Really versatile as far as using all that. And with them all being so tall, you can set all of your things inside there, have it all set here, and you have a nice drawer right here that you can slide in and out. Put in different accessories that maybe you don't want to see, just glides right in there. And this is a nice little shelf to put a variety of different things in. It's easily accessible, and whenever you're done, you could just slide it out of the way, pull it back when you need it.